Hello, my Technology and Engineering 9 class. So, obviously, I'm not here today. I'm out at the state skills competition for cabinet making at the Alliant Energy Center in Madison. So, that was information that I did give you last week. I know it's been a little bit since I've seen you, but I will be back on Thursday, and we'll definitely have some solid lab. But for today, what you're going to do is go into Canvas, and I'm going to have you scroll down. We're going to go past our fractions and measurement, past calculated material for project and its cost, past our cleanup, and definitely past our projects for right now. We can revisit that today if it's necessary. And there was about checking the grade book in Canvas, not Skyward. There's about 9 people that have not completed yet the sliding power miter saw. So the process with all of our machine safety. Now, obviously, this machine is being used in the Wisconsin cutting board project. However, it doesn't show you the safety of it. That's where these modules come in. So you have to go through and click on those videos. And of course, it's not going to give you that preview that was mentioned prior. You're going to have to click on the top link to get to that video. So from that video, obviously you can skip the ad and so on. Go through. After you're done with the video, then go back and click on your safety assessment and take the quiz. 12 questions, and I give you 3 swings at the test. Once again, you are able to use the video and any other resources within the modules as reference. So you can go back through the video. If you feel like you forgot something, you pause the video, you go, oh, that's right, I need to keep my hands 6 inches away from the blade during the cutting operation. That's going to be the same process throughout all of our safety assessments. And obviously, after the safety assessments, you watch the project video, you do the project. Today, obviously, is going to be just a video day and a quiz day. Go through the power drum sander video. Fairly short one. This one's a little bit more manageable when it comes to just not even 3.5 minutes. It's a very safe, quick, easy machine. We do have to be very careful with exactly the setup. This is a very fine-tuned machine when going through the process. The not the final one, but you most likely will get to it today, and that's the table saw. Now, this one I really need you to pay attention to because there's a few different operations that you're going to be doing on this machine, and it's a little bit longer. Do not just watch the video, pause it, fill in a question on the safety assessment. You're just trying to do too many things at once. Really focus on the video. Every little movement of the fence, putting the miter gauge in there, where the guard should be, where your hands should be positioned, your pressure, and so on. That's huge. It's huge for this machine. It's a very safe machine if run properly. They all are. If it happens where you're chewing into the surface planer video, great. Let's do that one too. You're eventually going to have to do all of them anyway before you do that portion of the project. The more you get done, the more lab you'll be in too. I understand that it's sitting down and everything. It's going to be a little rough. Don't be afraid to just get up in your spot and just give yourself a good stretch and whatnot. That's fine. But hanging out with your friends and trying to do an assessment together is really not what we're looking for. Okay. So other than that, if by some magical way you get all of that done, trust me, there's so much more. There's more than 85 minutes of video within this area. What I would personally concentrate on then, or if you want to take a break from those tests, if it's like, oh my gosh, another machine, they're kind of overlapping. Let me just get one or two done, do something on that on Thursday, and then keep moving forward. You go into your Mother's Day project. There are needs for those pictures to be able to upload. If you have something on your phone, great. You're more than allowed to use that. That's that proper use of our phone. The quotes. You don't have to use the ones I came up with. I just thought these were the good, like, whatever, top 10, top 12, top 15 that I chose off of the internet and just put them all in, one spot. So if you don't like one of these, or if you're doing some type of memorial for a pet or something, go ahead and go to the internet and find something for your pet. Absolutely. But remember, it's a family school. I know. I understand. Well, can I do a video game? With guns and ammo and fire and explosions. It's like, well, that's kind of an extreme from the Mother's Day project to just a crazy video game or something. So let's try to stay in the realm of some type of family friendly project within that module. So, like I said, I will be back on Thursday. If there are questions, email me. I will definitely check my email as we go. I can check the time as I'm at that conference or that competition and answer questions as we go. We'll talk to you soon. See you on Thursday. Good luck.